Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devyn and today I'll be doing an unboxing video. This is going to be my Target Baby Registry free welcome kit that you get for free, of course, when you make a registry with them. So I've been waiting for a couple months now to get this. You essentially go into your local Target, show them that you have made a registry with them, and then they give you a welcome kit. Well, I live in Texas and with like the snowstorm and I guess with COVID, like all of my local Targets have been out of stock with the free welcome kits. So it's been a huge bummer, but finally this last weekend, I was able to go to Target that I've never been before and they had one in stock. So I was so excited that I got to take it home and I'm so excited to film this little unboxing for you guys because I did an Amazon one. If you haven't watched that, I'll link it down below. You also get a free gift with them if you build a registry through Amazon. And I really enjoyed that because, I mean, the items are free. So this is more free stuff. So yeah, super easy to get and I cannot wait to get into it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the unboxing. So starting off with the bag, I think it's super cute. I think the mint is just gorgeous, really gender neutral, of course. It just has a little Target symbol on the side, but you can definitely reuse these bags. So I definitely appreciate that it's not like some ugly bag or just like a normal Target plastic bag. It just feels more personal this way. So I really love that. And it does feel pretty heavy. So you can see the contents inside. I've only peeked on top. I haven't like actually grabbed stuff to look at or read or anything. I've just seen, because they don't have like tissue paper or whatever. This is exactly how they gave it to me. So yeah, I'm really excited. There seems to be a lot of goodies. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab what's on top and we'll talk about it. All right, so I have no idea what this is. It says Pampers Swaddlers for dry and healthy skin. What the heck is a swaddler? I know what a swaddle is, like a swaddle blanket, but I don't know what a swaddler is. So I'm gonna open this and see what it is. And this is, in case you're wondering, what I see. Ooh, there's coupons inside. Oh man, this is a lot of coupons. Okay, so the first is $2 off one Draft Newborn Liquid Laundry Detergent. And this is awesome because it's one of the most top recommended detergents for babies. So yeah, $2 off I think is a fantastic deal. And I have until the end of the year to use this, so I can keep this for whenever I run out. That's awesome. I have, let's see, $1 off one Pampers wipes, 56 count or larger. And that's the type of wipes that I was planning on using, was the Pampers, I think like the sensitive ones. So that's super great. And then $1.50 off one Pampers Swaddlers. So that's apparently what's in this, which we're about to find out. And then I have a $5 off Target coupon for Pampers diapers with purchase of 333 count or larger Pampers wipes. So that's awesome. If I go in and buy wipes, I get $5 off of a box. So this is actually really impressive. Like that right there is saving me a good amount of money. Okay, so in here, it comes with a diaper and some wipes. Okay, so maybe the swaddler is like the type of diaper? So these are the Pampers sensitive wipes, which like I told you guys, I was very interested in using because babies have sensitive skin and I've seen some great reviews on this brand. So these come with 6 wipes. So this would be great to keep in like a diaper bag, for example. So that's super exciting. This is 98% water and it's hypoallergenic and all that good stuff. But I like that it's perfume free, it's 98% water, and of course, sensitive skin safe as well. And then this is the, I guess, swaddler, or it looks like a diaper to me. This is the package right here. It looks super small, like for a newborn. All right, moving along. Next up is a bottle. So this looks like the exact same bottle I got in my Amazon free gift. So let's open it up. But yes, this looks like the exact same MAM bottle that I got from Amazon. So Super cool. I really liked this one because it had a little bear on it, and it came with a newborn passy. So if my little baby does like ma'am, then I should be good to go because now I have 2 little newborn passies. Yeah, you can see the little bear on it. And this seems like a really good size for when they're newborn. So you can see how cute that is. And I think that's going to be really great for having now a set of 2 of these in my cabinet already. So that's super exciting. Okay, next up, let's see. Ooh, I have a Philips Avent natural bottle. That's super awesome. This is not a bottle that I already have. And then here is the bottle, which is really great. So my baby's gonna have a ton of options. Yeah, this definitely looks different. Feels very squishy. And it comes with like the little, I guess, instruction stuff inside. Ooh, it's packed in here, man. So yeah, this is what the bottle looks like. So again, I have no idea what my baby is going to like, but they always say to get different types. And it feels pretty comfortable in the hand. So it carries up to 4 fluid ounces. So I think that is a great thing again to have in my pantry. Next, I have this Lancino breastfeeding samples inside. It's 2 breast milk storage bags and 2 disposable nursing pads. This is fantastic. This was the brand that I was planning on getting for both breast milk bags and the disposable nursing pads. Like I have them on my registry. So this is great. I can pack these in my hospital bag or my diaper bag. So here are the 2 little disposable pads. And then here I have, oh my God, the breast milk bags. So they're inside this little container here, I guess, to keep them clean. But this is what they look like. Guys, I'm gonna be pumping breast milk and pouring it into these. Oh my gosh. That is so surreal to be holding them because I've just seen them all in the videos online. I know that probably sounds like I'm like a geek, but it's the little things that gets me excited that I'm like, oh my God, I'm finally gonna be a mom. I'm finally gonna use this stuff. So this is crazy. Yeah, I just think this is going to be great. Like I said, when I'm getting all prepared with my diaper bag and hospital bag and all kind of stuff, to have little things like this just to throw in there that I don't have to like buy right away. So that's amazing. I'm really excited about this. All right, now I have some diapers. So these are the Huggies Little Snugglers. This is size 1 and it comes with 3 diapers. So this is the one is up to 14 pounds. And yeah, so this is a different, I think the other one that I got was also Huggies, but I don't think it was the Little Snugglers. So this is super cool. And apparently it's Winnie the Pooh themed. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh my God. Okay, so again, super great to just have a little stock growing of these to continue to replenish my diaper bag in the future. So guys, already this is a really great little box or bag, if you will. So this is really amazing. All right. Oh my gosh, I got another bottle. So this is the 3rd bottle in here. And on my Amazon one, I got 2 bottles. So now I have a little 5 bottles. This is amazing. I think the other Dr. Brown one I have is similar. It's either the same or similar. So let's see what this one is. Okay, so this is a Dr. Brown's Natural Flow. And I think the other one I got was anti-colic. So again, this is going to be a different option for my baby. I'm honestly going to take off all my bottles from my registry because I don't think that they're going to be needed now that I have a total of 5 bottles. Like, OMG. But yeah, it's so crazy to see all these baby things now that I'm going to be owning for my child. Oh, it's so exciting. But yep, this is the bottle right here. And I'm super happy about it. Okay, next up, I have some water wipes. I also got these in the Amazon one, so this is great. A perfect thing to throw into your diaper bag or your hospital bag too. So I'm really in between, should I get water wipes or should I get the Pampers sensitive wipes? So let me know in the comments down below if you have a baby, which one you prefer if you've used those brands, because I've heard amazing things about both of them. I don't even know which one's cheaper, but the fact that I have them here, again, is great so I can see what will be good for my baby. But this is awesome. I just love that I have multiple of these little packs now. Okay, speaking of wipes, I have another brand of wipes. This is the Honest Company plant-based wipes. It's over 99% water. I actually haven't heard about these. I know the Honest brand, but I didn't know that they had wipes. They're alcohol, paraben, fragrance, and chlorine free. And this is what they look like. And apparently they're extra thick and soft. I feel like I am stocked with wipes for my bags. This is amazing. All right, I think this is the last wipes thing, but this is a little sample of Boogie Wipes. So they are gentle saline nose wipes, and this is in the lavender scent. They are apparently hypoallergenic and alcohol free. So I guess this is for their nose to clean them up. I don't know how necessary these would be, but if I like them, I have a $1 off coupon to go with it. So yeah, now I can try them. Next I have this Baby Bum Coconut Balm. This is the plant-based, vegan, hypoallergenic, natural balm for babies. So it says to massage and soothe dry, sensitive skin with this multi-purpose balm from scraped knees to mama's pregnant belly. It's got you covered. So it's like an all-purpose type of balm. So I can even use this now. So that's really great. And I like that it says it's coconut. Okay, I just had to like see. Oh yeah, it's like super like thick, but it like melts. And it smells exactly like coconut. So that's awesome. I'm sure I could use this as maybe like belly butter, nipple butter, all that kind of stuff. So I'll probably end up using this for myself beforehand since I have some other baby lotions. This is what it looks like up close. Really great brand. Speaking of lotions, I have the Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion. I think I also got this in my Amazon one as well. So again, not something that I'll have to buy since I now have a few options. But again, I've heard great things about this brand. Okay, next I have a little sample of the Cocoa Butter Formula Stretch Marks Massage Lotion. I literally lather my belly up almost every single night before I go to bed. And yeah, I'm just going through a good amount of product every night. So to have something else to help replenish my stash, I think it's great. And actually comes with like a good amount in here. So I could probably get like 2 uses out of this, to be honest. And I've heard, again, good things about this brand. The one that I'm using right now is Earth Mama. But yeah, a little switch up will be great. And what is this? Pedialyte. Oh, Electrolyte Powder Strawberry Lemonade. So it's a little electrolyte little packet. It says it quickly replaces fluids and electrolytes, helps relieve dehydration caused by occasional morning sickness, and scientifically designed to work better than water for rehydration. It says hydrating for 2. So I guess this is just like a good little option when I'm not feeling up for drinking water, I guess. And strawberry lemonade sounds delicious. So honestly, I might make this today or something. So just a nice little treat for mama. I'm excited. I have a little Aquaphor sample of the little baby healing paste. And I also received this in my Amazon bag as well. And this you can use for like diaper rash and a ton of other things that baby is dealing with. Okay guys, that is everything in my free baby registry gift with Target. I'm really impressed. I got 3 bottles, some diapers, a bunch of wipes, some lotions, and some other goodies, and a lot of great coupons as well of things that I would actually buy. So Target, you did not disappoint. Thank you so much. So if you enjoyed this little unboxing, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you've not already. And make sure to follow me on Instagram too so you can see a little bit more of my day-to-day. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.